Notice of libel of review in Admiralty, legal framework and jurisdiction. Introduction to a libel of review in Admiralty. A libel of review in Admiralty is a formal legal proceeding utilized within the maritime and Admiralty jurisdiction of the courts to challenge, correct, or seek reconsideration of previous decisions or rulings. This notice serves to invoke the court's review power over maritime disputes, contractual obligations, and property rights under Admiralty law. The procedure is distinct from common law remedies, as it falls within the specialized domain of Admiralty courts, which handle matters related to navigation, shipping, maritime contracts, and vessel ownership. Purpose of a libel of review in Admiralty. Challenges previous judicial determinations within the scope of Admiralty law. Seeks correction of errors or reconsideration of a ruling affecting maritime claims. Establishes a legal standing in cases involving maritime liens, vessel disputes, and contractual breaches. Ensures compliance with maritime jurisdiction and legal procedures under Admiralty law. Jurisdiction and legal basis. Falls under the jurisdiction of federal Admiralty courts and specific international maritime tribunals. Governed by U.S. Code Title 28, Part 4, Chapter 81, Admiralty and Maritime Jurisdiction, and International Maritime Conventions. Requires adherence to Admiralty rules of procedure, distinct from standard civil litigation practices. Key elements of a libel of review. 1. Statement of grounds, clearly articulates the basis for review and the legal errors claimed in the original ruling. 2. Jurisdictional claim, establishes the maritime nature of the dispute and the court's authority to hear the review. 3. Relief sought, specifies whether the petitioner seeks a reversal, amendment, or remand for further proceedings. 4. Supporting evidence, includes maritime contracts, ship registry documents, or navigational records relevant to the dispute. Legal implications and consequences. May result in modification or reversal of a prior maritime judgment. Can impact vessel ownership, maritime liens, and contractual obligations within Admiralty law. Failure to adhere to Admiralty procedures may result in dismissal or procedural deficiencies. Establishes a legal precedent in maritime law if upheld by a higher court. Application of the notice in maritime litigation. Shipowners and charterers may utilize this notice to challenge vessel seizure rulings. Maritime insurers can file a libel of review to dispute coverage denials or claim assessments. Cargo owners and freight companies may seek review regarding shipping contract disputes. Port authorities and regulatory agencies may be involved in cases requiring clarification of maritime jurisdiction.